In this video, I will show you how to link Yahoo Calendar with your Google Calendar on your phone without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply open up your Yahoo Mail app. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can simply do this just like so. Having opened up your Yahoo Mail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead, click on this three slider from the top corner. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and click on settings. Under the settings right here, you want to make sure you scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to calendar synchronize. So go ahead and click on that. And next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and turn on this button right here. And you are done. With that, whatever programming you have on your Yahoo event is going to be linked to your Google Calendar. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Yahoo Mail account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.